Organizations spend millions building central data portals, expecting every employee to log in and find the truth. But that rigid, centralized portal model is cracking under the intense pressure of how people actually work today. To understand why this is happening, you have to look at the origin of the word dashboard. In this carriage diagram, the original dashboard was a wooden board positioned behind the horse to protect the driver from mud. Early software dashboards borrowed this exact philosophy, protecting executives from the mud of raw data to provide a clean, curated view. But that model is failing us now. Business users are exhausted by dashboard fatigue. They simply refuse to leave their workflow, log into a separate portal, and hunt through complex filters to find an answer. Organizations extracting real value from their data realize they must stop building destination portals. Instead, they are pushing data directly to the user's point of need. As the dashboard breaks apart, 3 paths emerge to replace it: traditional BI, embedded analytics, and Gen AI insights. You must evaluate these options on 3 criteria: who is the primary user, where is it deployed, and what core value does it deliver? Guessing wrong here is highly expensive. You'll burn budget on wasted licenses, trap your data team in backlogs, or face disastrous AI data hallucinations. There is no universal best tool anymore. Generating a return on your data investment requires meticulously matching your architecture to the technical fluency of the people actually using it. Let's look at traditional BI platforms like Tableau, Power BI, and Looker. These were built from the ground up for a very specific audience: internal data analysts. When you need a highly governed, centralized source of truth that allows for deep ad hoc data exploration, these tools excel. But watch what happens when you roll these platforms out to non-technical business users. Every time an executive asks a new question, it requires a custom report, forcing dozens of requests through a single, overwhelmed analyst. Because of this massive friction, adoption rates for traditional BI outside the core data team consistently stall out around 30 to 40%, and most dashboards built are rarely opened. This failure gets even worse when SaaS product leaders try to take these internal tools and force them into client-facing applications using iframes. You end up paying prohibitive per-seat licensing costs, exposing third-party vendor branding inside your own product. Traditional BI is unmatched for internal experts, but it breaks down entirely when you try to use it as a customer-facing product feature. If your goal is software monetization, you need embedded contextual analytics. These are purpose-built tools deployed natively inside a product's user interface, usually sold with capacity-based pricing instead of per-seat licenses. Because you integrate white-labeled insights directly into the daily workflows your users are already in, adoption rates routinely double or triple. Looking at this circular 24-hour visualization from a mobile app, you can see how data is pushed contextually to the user based on their immediate environment, rather than making them search for a report. And in this view of the timeline interface, specific actionable events, like these purple lightning bolt icons, are highlighted directly where the user needs to see them to make a decision. The massive technical advantage here for independent software vendors is native multi-tenancy. You can onboard hundreds of external clients, and the architecture automatically ensures they securely view only their own data, no messy engineering workarounds required. The trade-off is time and rigidity. This requires a longer initial engineering integration, weeks instead of days, and gives your end users far less freedom to openly explore the raw data. You sacrifice ad hoc exploration freedom, but in exchange, you get incredibly high external user adoption and a clear path to immediate SaaS monetization. Executives today are demanding Gen AI insights. The appeal is obvious. Bypass the dashboard entirely and just ask your data a question in plain English. But conversational interfaces are actually highly inefficient for routine daily KPI checks. A well-designed visual dashboard takes 2 seconds to scan. A chatbot requires you to type out a query and wait for the generation every single morning. The real danger of the AI hype is the implementation. If you feed raw, unstructured database access directly to a large language model, you will instantly grind your operations to a halt. Without strict business rules guiding it, an LLM will confidently generate plausible but completely incorrect SQL. It will invent answers based on flawed assumptions, creating severe data hallucinations. To fix this, you have to build a semantic layer. It is an unglamorous, heavy-lift back-end requirement. This diagram illustrates the complexity of that process. Looking closely at the bottom right quadrants, NLP and natural language generation, you see how raw data nodes must be rigorously mapped to extraction rules and specific business terminology before an AI can safely generate language. Your organization must invest heavily in this metadata governance, clearly defining what terms like revenue or active user actually mean to your specific business before you can trust any AI-generated insight. GenAI is not a magic shortcut. It is a highly capable interface, but it demands the highest level of pristine, governed data to be utilized safely. Dashboards aren't dead, but the audience for them has permanently fractured. To budget correctly, build a framework based strictly on your end user. First, for internal teams requiring deep analysis, purchase traditional BI. Second, for external customers needing multi-tenant, white-labeled experiences, build embedded analytics. Third, for executives asking questions on strictly governed data, integrate GenAI insights. Stop forcing business users to behave like data analysts. You will achieve true ROI when you invest in the architecture that meets your users exactly where they make their decisions.